Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX launched. This latest model will come with Kawasaki's latest design language, which is similar to that used on the ZX-10R model. The new Ninja 1000SX has a front fascia similar to the ZX-10R, but maintains the seat position. This super bike will also be equipped with a 4.3-inch TFT instrument screen and feature a new seat for touring. Apart from that, this motorbike no longer uses twin exhaust pipes and replaces them with a single exhaust configuration. As for the chassis, the Ninja 1000SX comes with a seat height of 32.8 inches and weighs around 235 kilograms with a full gas tank. From the engine sector, the Ninja 1000SX still has a 1043cc 4-cylinder inline engine whose power output is regulated by the IMU. This IMU system also regulates traction control and ABS when cornering. Talking about performance, the 1000SX engine configuration is capable of producing 142 HP of power, similar to the engine used in the Z1000. However, this latest motorbike provides an increase in low and mid-range power and torque, and meets Euro 5 emission standards in Japan. Regarding price, the latest Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX is rumored to be sold in Japan at a price of 1,595,000 yen.